Did you ever wonder if there's a connection between cholesterol levels and plant-based diets? Let's first get to grips with what cholesterol actually is. Cholesterol, in simple terms, is a waxy substance found in your blood. It's not inherently bad. In fact, your body needs it to build healthy cells. However, high levels of cholesterol can lead to heart disease. Cholesterol comes in two forms: low-density lipoprotein, or LDL, and high-density lipoprotein, or HDL. LDL is often referred to as bad cholesterol because it can build up in the walls of your arteries, making them hard and narrow. On the other hand, HDL, the good cholesterol, carries cholesterol from other parts of your body back to your liver, which removes it from your body. Now let's shift gears and talk about plant-based diets. When we say plant-based, we're talking about a diet that focuses on foods primarily from plants. This includes not only fruits and vegetables, but also nuts, seeds, oils, whole grains, legumes, and beans. It doesn't mean that you are vegetarian or vegan and never eat meat or dairy. Rather, you are proportionately choosing more of your foods from plant sources. There are several types of plant-based diets, the most common being whole foods, plant-based, vegan, and vegetarian. The whole foods plant-based diet is a diet centered on whole, unrefined, or minimally refined plants. It's a diet based on fruits, vegetables, tubers, whole grains, and legumes. It excludes or minimizes meat, dairy products, and eggs, as well as highly refined foods like bleached flour, refined sugar, and oil. The benefits of plant-based diets are extensive. They can help you lose weight, improve your heart health, and lower your risk of certain types of cancer. They're also environmentally friendly, as they use fewer resources and cause less pollution than standard Western diets. So, is it possible that a plant-based diet could be the secret to maintaining healthy cholesterol levels? Stick around to find out. Before we delve into the heart of the matter, it's essential to understand how cholesterol works in our bodies. Cholesterol isn't all bad. In fact, our bodies need it to build cells and make vitamins. However, like many things in life, it's all about balance. There are two main types of cholesterol: low-density lipoprotein, or LDL, and high-density lipoprotein, or HDL. Think of LDL as the lousy cholesterol. When there's too much of it in your blood, it can stick to the walls of your arteries, narrowing them, which can lead to heart disease. Now, HDL is the healthy cholesterol. It acts like a little vacuum cleaner for your bloodstream, carrying LDL cholesterol away from your arteries and back to the liver, where it's broken down and removed from the body. Now that we've got a good understanding of cholesterol, it's time to explore the power of plant-based diets. You might be wondering, how can a plant-based diet influence our cholesterol levels? Well, let's dive right into it. When we talk about a plant-based diet, we're referring to a menu that's rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. These foods are not only naturally low in saturated fats, but also high in fiber. Now, why is that important? Well, it's all about the heart, my friends, and more specifically, our cholesterol levels. Think of cholesterol as a sort of waxy substance that's found in your blood. Your body needs it to build cells, but too much of it can stick to the walls of your arteries, causing blockages and leading to heart disease. This is where the power of plant-based diets comes into play. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are packed with soluble fiber. This type of fiber isn't just good for your digestive system, it also has a knack for attracting cholesterol. Picture soluble fiber as a sponge, soaking up cholesterol and carrying it out of your body before it gets a chance to stick to your arteries. Moreover, these plant-based foods are low in saturated fats. Saturated fats increase the level of low-density lipoprotein, or LDL cholesterol, often referred to as the bad cholesterol. This is because it contributes to the fatty buildups in arteries. By keeping your intake of saturated fats low, you're doing your arteries a massive favor. Eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes also means you're consuming a rainbow of nutrients, each with their own health benefits. These nutrients work together to keep your heart healthy, your cholesterol levels in check, and your body functioning at its best. Clearly, plant-based diets pack a powerful punch when it comes to combating high cholesterol, but how exactly does this work? Stay tuned for the next segment, where we'll delve deeper into the science behind the magic of plant-based diets. It's time to unveil the science behind how plant-based diets lower cholesterol levels. The first thing to understand is that plant-based diets are packed with fiber. Fiber, you see, is a bit of a superstar when it comes to lowering cholesterol. It's found in all plant foods and is particularly high in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, beans, peas, and lentils. But how does it work, you ask? Well, when you consume fiber, it forms a gel-like substance in your digestive tract. This substance has a knack for trapping cholesterol and carrying it out of your body before it gets a chance to circulate in your bloodstream. That's fiber's first trick. But fiber has a second trick up its sleeve. It also helps in reducing the amount of cholesterol your liver makes. Yes, you heard that right. Your liver, which is responsible for producing most of the cholesterol in your body, is influenced by fiber. The more fiber you consume, the less cholesterol your liver produces. Now let's move on to another set of players in the cholesterol-lowering game: plant sterols and stanols. These compounds, found in foods like nuts, seeds, legumes, and whole grains, have a similar structure to cholesterol, which means they can block the absorption of cholesterol in your digestive system. When you consume plant sterols and stanols, they compete with cholesterol for absorption. And more often than not, they win the race, meaning less cholesterol ends up in your bloodstream. So the process of lowering cholesterol isn't just about avoiding certain foods. It's also about embracing a variety of nutrient-dense, fiber-packed plant foods. These foods work together to reduce the amount of cholesterol in your body, both by decreasing its production and by blocking its absorption. So it's not just about what you're not eating, meat and dairy, but also about what you are eating. A variety of nutrient-rich, fiber-packed plant foods. Let's recap what we've learned about cholesterol and plant-based diets. We've taken a journey through the world of cholesterol, breaking down its complex nature into digestible chunks. We've learned that cholesterol, while often villainized, is a crucial component of our bodies, contributing to the formation of cell membranes and hormones. However, when levels get too high, particularly of the low-density lipoprotein or bad cholesterol, health problems can arise. We then delved into the realm of plant-based diets, discovering that these aren't just salads and smoothies, but a rich and diverse way of eating. From whole grains to legumes, from fruits to vegetables, these foods are packed with nutrients and devoid of cholesterol. We've seen the power of plant-based diets, their potential to not only prevent, but also reverse chronic diseases. We've understood that these diets, rich in fiber, can help us feel full without the extra calories, support our gut health, and contribute to steady long-term weight loss. Then we've connected the dots, exploring how plant-based diets directly impact our cholesterol levels. We've learned that by removing animal products, which are the primary sources of dietary cholesterol, and by replacing them with nutrient-dense plant foods, we can significantly lower our cholesterol levels. The science speaks for itself. Multiple studies have shown that those following a plant-based diet tend to have lower cholesterol levels compared to those who consume a diet high in animal products. And it's not just about numbers. Lower cholesterol levels mean reduced risk of heart disease and stroke, leading to increased lifespan and improved quality of life. So in a nutshell, we've understood that our diet plays a pivotal role in managing our cholesterol levels. We've seen that plant-based diets offer a holistic approach to health, one that doesn't just target a single issue, but improves our overall well-being. So there you have it. The secret to maintaining healthy cholesterol levels could be as simple as incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet. Remember, your health is your wealth. Please like this video and subscribe for more content like this. Comment, "I subscribed," and we will be sure to respond to everyone's comment.